What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Jellyfish. Haven't drawn a jellyfish yet. Cool creatures, these. I don't know what type of jellyfish this is, but it's like just a general jellyfish. It's cool though. Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. We're going to start with the top, like, domey section. So, yeah, so we'll start, say like, I'll get like my width, how wide it is, right? So we're going to curve it this way, and I'll curve the whole way around, probably there. And this will go up and around, right? And it can be kind of bumpy because there's like different sections to it and stuff, but we'll just add those now in a sec. So then, like all around, so it goes around the back as well. So you can kind of see up into the inside. It's hard drawing translucent things, but we'll do our best. So it's like drawing glass. Like how do you even draw glass? So there's a frilly edge to this. So we'll do kind of like this wavy kind of thing. Right, kind of that sort of thing. And then, so it has sort of it reminds me of a pumpkin, right? So it kind of has these lines on it, you know, going, or a basketball or something. So all sort of coming down. Again, these are kind of like translucent sort of lines. So this frill, to make it look like not just a line, you know, so like inside here you'll have like little lines that go back, you know, it's because it is like part of this. It's like a dress or something, you know, the bottom of a dress or a frilly sleeve of a shirt or something. You know, you want it to have depth. So you'll just, from the tip of one of these bumps, bring a line back a bit, and it gives the illusion that this is kind of three-dimensional, sort of. Right? And then I'll take an extra step and I'll add an edge, like a little extra bump to this. Around here, just an extra little following all this. Okay, it just makes it look like it's sitting there like out a bit. So next section, another sort of curved sort of bumpy part under here, and this goes around like the inside, and you can kind of see it on the inside of the jellyfish as well, depending on the type of jellyfish you like to draw. I guess you could leave this part solid, not see-through, you know, which might be easier. So, but I'll try and do both. So you could leave that not see-through, you know, you could leave it sort of, and this has like all the tails coming out of it and stuff. But generally, we will bring it around here, right? Probably has special anatomical names. Right, so what I'm going to do is just maybe lightly put in this other, see what I'm doing? So like it's like this section, but it's slightly, it's not as visible, you know, it's a bit lighter. And these things all sort of follow that shape. So it's trickier to draw now, that part, I guess, because it's kind of to do with the thickness of your line. Makes it look a little lighter, not as visible. And this one's like a darker line, so it stands out a bit more. So, what will we do? We will add the main tails, maybe. So again, it's kind of like a frilly thing like this. So say, can you see? We'll go this way. Wavy. And it kind of like twists over itself as well. So it's like, you know, it's this kind of thing. So the other side of it, that way, right? And then this is the twisty part. So it like, sort of like twists and turns a little bit. Goes underneath another one there. So you can see that little twist now. There's another one coming down from the inside, right? There's actually another one in behind this one. There's a couple of these. And then this one sort of goes this way. And we got a twist. Right, so that one goes that way, and then there's another one out here. That's this, going that way. Bit of a gap in here. So this like little frilly section comes out that way. It's like this one twists and turns in behind this one. So these have like little edges to them as well. So like little like this dress part, kind of like a little edge, like this. It's just kind of maybe another sort of line just going down that way. Excuse me. Okay, and you can texture these up as much as you want as well. So they're like the main sort of frilly parts. And then we have this that curves in around those, right? So again, it's this bumpy line on the other side of the jellyfish's body. Like so, and then you want to, every now and then you want to add like these little 3D things. And then maybe sort of the edge part again. Okay. Now, so then there's just like lots of tentacles, like lots of individual lines that kind of come down from the main body of the jellyfish. So it's like just lots of this kind of stuff. And it's twisting and flowing. It's like it's all in behind here as well. Oh, I forgot to do that here actually. These are just like individual sort of hair strands kind of thing. Loads of these. And then, like, if you want, you know, sort of bubbles kind of all around, just to give the impression we are underwater. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you draw jellyfish. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.